Okay, I think it's all set. Okay, so I'm very sorry for that very awful Boya review. That was very bad because the audio on that, the gain was so fucking bad that I just couldn't comprehend. But you know, let's just move aside and get a better mic. The Rode VideoMicro. The Rode VideoMicro is one of the best Rode microphones I've ever heard of. Now, I know that these guys started making shotgun mics in 2004 with the Rode VideoMic, and then they made the Rode VideoMic Pro 6 years later, then the Rode VideoMic Go, then this thing, and yeah, I'm going to try to grab scissors, yeah, this thing, but first off, let's see on the box. This is a nice matte look, and then there's like some gold on the micro. And this is a product shot. I think this is a Nikon. This looks like a Nikon camera from the lens, which is coincidentally because I have the same looking lens. It has the Rode microphone logo and it has the gold. It's like a spot varnish side, spot varnish gold font. It has a 2-year warranty, which is great. If you guys want to know where I got the Boya mic from last time, and this one, I got this from Juan Gadget. Not yet sponsored by them. I am still asking for that sponsor. There is no battery. It's a plug-and-play device. It's very compact, and it also has a Rycote wire suspension mount, which is going to be very interesting. Has the back. Read it. Go pause. I'm going to try. Go pause if you want to read this right now. Go pause if you want to read it, and if you guys want to... here, okay, if you want to scan the QR code, go scan it right now. Here's the product shot of the mic with the dead cat, you know, kind of in a fading overlay. And this is the disclaimers, I think. Let me see. These are the disclaimers. Go pause if you want to read. And without further ado, let's unfocus this thing, zoom out, and let's open this. I'm gonna grab a scissor over here. Let's see. I'm gonna try to not break this, because Rode mics are very expensive. My dad said these were very expensive. These were like $70, which is weird because I heard these things were like $40. But I guess quarantine's really getting Rode, so they're upping the price. Maybe it's Juan Gadget, I don't know. Like, there you go. I used to want the Go, the Rode VideoMic Go, because Plain Rock 124, a very popular YouTube channel, had that mic, and I thought that was very good. Then, coincidentally, after uploading that video, months after, the Rode VideoMicro got announced. So that's sad on him. But I'm hoping he's having fun quarantine. Ah, shit. Shit. I gotta try to open this because I'm like very scared. Oh, tear. And that. Ooh, oh no, the copper fell. Okay. Oh, this is the old suspension mount. Okay, because I saw on Amazon, the refurbished versions don't have that Rycote suspension mount in red. Okay, then, oh no. Okay. Let me see. The mic, the dead cat. Feels very soft. It feels like a plush toy. Okay. Silica gel. Get that shit out of here. This is the dead cat. Very nice, very soft. Again, feels like a plush. The Rycote suspension mount. That feels very smooth like that. Very nice. This is this is the TRS cable. Okay, I'm going to tell you this right now. I'm going to grab something. These are my earphones. If you guys have phones with headphone jacks, I'm hoping you do. There are differences between these jacks. This is a TRRS, tip ring sleeve. These are for phones, and these are for cameras. TRS tip ring sleeve. Now, this looks very nice. I'm weirded out because the red does not match. This looks like more of a fuchsia, like pinkish color, but this one looks actually red. So I think the mic looks very nice, and that looks very high quality. I'm worried this thing might go elbow. This feels very nice. Made in Australia. That's cool. It's made from Laserbeam's hometown. That's nice. I'm guessing that the dead cat goes inside, but like I'm gonna see. Also comes with this manual here. Okay, I don't need to read it because I've watched so many videos of this, and there's like a warranty serial number I'm gonna keep. If this thing breaks, I can give it the road. I don't know though from the pandemic, but okay, I think this is how it goes. It's like this, that, there you go, and then it sounds really nice. It's like, oh, hear that sexy sound. Oh yeah, and this is like the hot shoe or the cold shoe. I don't know. Could try to put this in my camera. I'm gonna try to put this in my camera without like breaking it because I'm worried. Cause like this thing fell down. This camera fell down so many times that this thing, the actual like mount dented. It's like this doesn't work. What? Wait there. This feels weird. This can't. Oh no, this thing can't enter. What the frick? Can this not even enter on the? Can this not enter? Shit. Did I get bamboozled? Did I get bamboozled? Please no. Okay, I think I got that in. I think that's the closest it can go. I think that's it. Yeah. And I'm gonna. Okay, there we go. I was worried because I was worried that I might have dented this thing, but like no. And then I opened this part. I think I opened this compartment over here. And then plug it in. Ah! Let's see if this one works. Does it read the mic? Info. Okay, it's no longer. Okay, I'm gonna try to. Let's see. It's not doing this. What? That's cool. Okay. Going to probably change the settings. Actually, I'm going to change the settings because I'm worried that this thing might, movie settings, microphone, audio, auto. Also, noise reduction's off. Good. I'm guessing this thing snaps like on. Oh shit, like that. There's something sketchy about this. I don't know why. I'm gonna take it off the suspension first. There, it snapped. I think it snapped on. There you go. And then I guess you do this, right? There you go. I mean, I think I went out of focus, but like this looks kind of cool. It looks like my camera has a fucking like has hair now. Let me see if it goes 18. Can it be seen? Can this thing be seen? No. That's cool. The thing is, I don't use my camera for videos because the memory card is very small. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try to record the audio on this mic, and then I'm going to be trying to edit it over here. So let's see. Okay, so this is the audio quality of the Nikon D5600. Audio test 1 2 3. Audio test 1 2 3. And this is the audio quality of the Rode VideoMicro. Audio test 1 2 3. Audio test 1 2 3. So you may be asking me, when am I gonna review the Rode VideoMicro? Well, guess what? I'm gonna review it. Not a 7, not an 8, no, it's a 10. It's a 10. This is a beautiful product. It's very nice. The build quality is great. The Rycote suspension feels very nice and feels very durable. The dead cat looks ridiculous. However, it's very, very nice. And I think that if I went to windy situations, I think this would handle it perfectly well. And I think this is great for anyone who's wanting to start vlogging, get the Rode VideoMicro. But here's the thing, if you're using a phone, I recommend getting the SC7, which is an adapter that can add a TRRS cable for your phone. And if you want to, just get an original officially licensed dongle, because many people nowadays are making third-party dongles that don't work, so be very careful. So I guess that's going to be it. So I hope you guys are okay with this review. I am sorry for the Boya review being very bad. And yeah, what do you guys think about it? Leave me in the comments below. I am Zach, and that is gonna be it. And goodbye.
Guitar on my arm, waiting for the perfect storm. With holes in my gun, and I'm very sorry, mom. I'm so far gone.